Hi! In front of me is an Android 13 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. When you're ready, type in iOS Launcher and download this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, choose while using and allow in all pop-ups. So while using the app, allow. Then close Launcher app and go into Devices Settings. In them, select Apps section. Scroll down just a bit, click on Default Apps and Home app. Now, to apply iOS Launcher, just click on it and select Got It. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Android. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by accessing the same settings and tapping on Default Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!